Are you freaking out trying to figure out what to be for Halloween? Did you wait till the last minute? It's okay, I got you covered. Here are some quick Halloween costumes that you could put together really fast, and you probably already have these items in your closet. These are things that you don't have to go out and buy. Hopefully you already have them, and if you don't have them in the closet, it's okay. You could probably go to your local thrift store and find something for super cheap. This video is in collaboration with my friend Addie, and she's going to share some costume recommendations on her channel, so be sure to check that out after this video. But yeah, let's get into the costumes. Let's start with animals. If you have anything that's leopard print, cheetah print, anything feline-like specifically is what I have in my closet, but you can probably go with a different animal if you like. But for me, feline animals are just easy. So all you have to do is put your hair up into little space buns, so you can like grab the top part of your hair and just wrap it around your finger and then secure it with a scrunchie, and do that to the other side as well. And then you can take some eyeliner and draw a nose, and then draw some whiskers, maybe even draw like a little, I don't know what to call this thing, like a smile thing, a cat smile, and make your eyebrows furry. There you go, your costume is done. Okay, and the next costume is a black cat with yarn. If you just throw on an all black outfit, it can be fitted, it could be like black skinny jeans, it could be a cute little black dress, it could be like suede skirts or anything like that to give it a little more texture, to make you look like you're a furry cat, whatever it is. Throw on a black outfit. You can keep the makeup from the look before, you can keep the hair from the look before, or if you do own cat ears or want to go out and buy cat ears, you could add that on. And the fun thing about this look is adding in the ball of yarn, because cats love to play with yarn, and this makes it look like you tried a little bit. The next costume category is sports. So you can be a basketball player. All you need is a jersey and a basketball, and to make it look like you tried a little bit, you can add on a headband, and there you go. Put your hair up in like a messy little bun, a ponytail, a sporty look of some sort, and you are good to go. You can also be a cyclist, so throw on a helmet, throw on just workout gear, and that's really all you need for this one. This one is very simple. The nice thing about this costume category is I feel like most people own sports equipment, so work with whatever you have. If you have some tennis rackets in your garage, maybe just grab those and say you're a tennis player. A baseball bat. I'm thinking these are kind of weapon-like, and I don't know if you're allowed to bring these things to parties nowadays, so keep that in mind. But just a baseball, bring a baseball. Do not bring a baseball bat to the party. That's probably a better idea. All right, the last costume categories is, I guess we'll call this characters. I feel like a lot of people have this set in their wardrobe for some reason, but all you need is like a little crop long sleeve shirt, some cargo pants, and some type of fanny pack. Put that all together and you can say that you are Kim Possible. She has an iconic look that is perfect for Halloween. So who doesn't like Kim Possible? I honestly didn't love Kim Possible as a show, but I did like the little naked mole rat, so he was cool. And then the last costume suggestion I have is to dress as a doll. So this you could just throw on any cute little flare dress that you have. You can take a scarf and tie like a little bow in your hair. And this one is focused on specifically the makeup. Make yourself look doll-like. So you can take some white eyeliner or even white eyeshadow and just put it under your eyes to make them look like they're just bigger, and then draw some fake eyelashes on underneath that, and you can draw like a cute little smile, like little heart-shaped like small lips on your lips, and then just draw like a creepy stitching to make you look like a dead doll, or I don't know, some creepy doll. It works, it looks like you tried, and it's actually a super cute costume. Okay, so those are all of my super last minute Halloween costume suggestions. Let me know in the comments below if you're dressing up this year. If you are, let me know what you're dressing up as. And be sure to check out Addie's costume recommendations. I, again, will put it in the link in the description box down below. All right, I thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.